Pandora. I don't really fuck with no. Gucci gang, Louis gang, Fendi gang, Dolce gang, Sachi gang.
Today we have a brand new Sony A7S Mark II. My first legit camera, man. I want to thank Mike, Jake, Nate, Del for being there with me, especially Mike. My Haggle man, Supreme. He helped me get this camera, man. Let's just get it. So we got manuals, a lens, whatever, dude. Nobody wants to fucking see that, alright?
Exactly.
Nobody fucking gives a shit. I'm a Casey Neistat this bitch.
First, let's see what's in the box.
Boom. Fucking strap. Whatever.
Yeah. hey, straps are for noobs.
Yeah, dude, who the fuck strapped? Straps are like condoms. Why? You know? Fucking charger, obviously. What else we got in here? I'm very vulgar, so you don't like it, go fuck off. Fuck, this shit comes with 3 batteries?
Oh, nice. That's fucking lit. I didn't even know that.
Oh wait, no, shit, idiot. This is a fucking wall charger. A USB charger, whatever. I guess you need that. Where's the fucking camera, Matt?
Oh,
Nice and slow and rap.
oh, dude, it's so pretty.
It's like giving birth to a baby.
Revealing a baby.
Oh, man, it looks so good. Can
It's a Sony!
do a sniff
It's a
test?
Sony!
How does it smell?
Did you taste it?
It smells like... smells like sushi and tastes like... It tastes like geisha.
There you go.
Straight from Japan, bro. The clickety clickety.
Oh, yeah.
This shit's coming off.
That'd be badass if you did. A lot of people do fucking cut them off.
Dude, I'm not gonna cut it.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
in case.
You know what I'm
in
saying?
case I want to go noob and use that fucking dumbass strap.
No, I mean, if you use a strap, you just wrap it around your hand. I'll show you how to look cool.
Because I do not look cool at all. I mean, look at me. I wear army issued glasses. How cool can I get?
That's Army issued?
Yes, it is.
Oh, sure.
Pretty cool.
Oh. You guys are probably wondering, well, okay, Matt, that's good and all. You got a camera, but where's the fucking lens?
You weren't basic and didn't get a camera with a kit lens. You actually got the body and a different lens, dude. You're such a pro.
You know what you're doing, dude.
Let's move on, shall we?
Damn, poor box.
Man, fuck that box, dude. What the fuck am I be doing? Look, you don't need this motherfucking box like, oh, look at me, look, I'm YouTubing. Fuck you, dude, alright? These are Sony FE, or as I call it, fucking Entourage 24-70 millimeters, or as I call Mega Man. We're gonna open this baby up. Even though it's got the bubble wrap, okay. So this is obviously the lens, but you're not gonna see that yet. Okay. You're gonna see all this useless shit. Who the fuck is that? Who's our Chakrit? Oh, they checked it. Okay, cool. Thank you, Mr. or Miss R. Chakrit. Don't give a fuck about that. Don't give a fuck about this. This is what you give a fuck
The
about.
mother load.
Look at that. Look at that. Now, you guys will probably want to see this. Check this out. This is what's called a mirrorless camera. It's a full frame sensor. Fucking gorgeous.
When I'm gone, baby, just wait for me. You should have been on this plane with me. I swear I be here when you away from me. My life a lot of niggas wanna take from me. Why they hate on me? Cause I've been ballin' on these niggas faithfully. So I don't blame them. Nah, I don't blame them. Fuck the police, still tryna put it.